The history of dogs. Dogs are one of the most popular pets in the world. They are known for being loyal, friendly, and helpful to humans. But do you know how dogs became man's best friend? Let us explore the fascinating history of dogs. The story of dogs begins many thousands of years ago. It is believed that dogs are descendants from wolves. Scientists have proven that dogs and wolves have the exact same DNA. This means they're from the same family. Scientists believe that all dogs that we see today are descended from their wild ancestors, the wolves, and that the transformation from wolves to dogs began between 20 and 40,000 years ago, when people and wolves were living and hunting in close proximity. In those years, some wolves started to get closer to human camps. These wolves were not afraid of people, and they found that being near humans had benefits for them, like getting the leftover food. Humans started to appreciate and favor these wolves that showed that they could be tamed. The wolves that were friendlier and less aggressive were more likely to stay around humans. So humans began to tame these wolves and take care of them. They bred the wolves that were most friendly and helpful in activities such as hunting and guarding. Over many generations, these wolves gradually lost their predatory qualities, such as large, sharp teeth, and so on. And this caused their change into a new animal, the dog. This was around 15,000 years ago. Thousands of years later, humans started to play a more active role in breeding of dogs. The process of breeding dogs for specific traits is called domestication. Dogs were the first ever domesticated animals. The ancient Egyptians may have been the first to start breeding dogs. They bred dogs for specific uses such as hunting, guarding, and war. In ancient China, dogs were bred to look like lions, as the symbol of the lion was very important to the Buddhists. Dogs were highly valued in China. Small dogs were kept as pets by royalty. In Europe, dogs were used for hunting and guarding of homes. As humans spread out around the world, they took their dogs with them. In different parts of the world, people needed dogs for different jobs. Selective breeding gave rise to many different breeds of dogs. Some dogs were bred to be hunters, like the greyhound, which is very fast. Others were bred to guard homes and livestock, like the German Shepherd. Some dogs were bred to be small and cuddly, to be companions, like the Pomeranian. This is why we have so many different breeds of dogs today. Each breed has its own unique characteristics that make it good for certain jobs or to fit well with different lifestyles. Today, dogs are more popular than ever. They are still used for many different jobs, like guiding people who are blind, working with police, and helping people who are sick. But most importantly, dogs are loved as family pets. They bring joy, companionship, and even help teach kids responsibility and empathy. In conclusion, the history of dogs is a story of friendship and partnership. From their beginnings as wolves to their roles as our beloved pets and helpers, dogs have a special place in human history. Understanding where dogs come from helps us appreciate the bond we share with them even more. So, the next time you see a dog, remember that it has a long and fascinating history that started with wolves and led to the amazing companions we have today.